Back to Lisa. Some people can't be in a video because her car hands are and this is a knife right here.
Yes. Yeah, I can't be in the video, okay guys? But I taught Luis my secret recipe to make the best chocolate chips. Alright guys? Luis, show your fans how I make my chocolate chips, okay?
So we use
Bye guys. Sorry. Bye guys. I'm gonna go lay down and so my hand can rest. You can see I cut it with a knife. Bye. I heard chepepe was here. I missed him. Was he here, Luis?
Yeah.
Where'd he go?
Down there.
Okay, so we're gonna make chocolate chip cookies. Pepe's recipe.
And this is how you make it. 2 eggs, the sugar and brown sugar and baking soda.
And this is vanilla. Okay.
Oh.
Okay. So what first Pepe said is to put the butter here in the mixing bowl.
That looks weird. It looks like an egg.
Yeah, and it's melted butter. That's a trick if you don't have a mixer. You melt your butter first, and you put in this big old thing. Okay, now this. Yeah. Now this is brown sugar, and it's dump it in. It's 1 cup of brown sugar, and 2 cups of butter. Okay. Now we add in the half a cup of regular sugar.
Wait, do I put it a lot in there?
Yeah, just pour the whole thing. There we go. Okay. Now we mix it. You wanna mix it, Luis? Mix it all the way. Yeah. Okay, mix it fast.
It looks good.
Yep, it does. Well, if we follow the recipe, let's see if Chef Pepe has the best chocolate chip cookies out there.
Yeah.
And you add 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Go ahead, Luis. Whoop. 1 teaspoon. 2 teaspoons. So 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract.
That looks yummy.
Vanilla. It does. Smells good.
I can smell it.
Yeah. Okay. Here, let me help you out. Let me mix it really fast like this. Pretend you're a mixer. Like that. Okay. You keep stirring it. Then I'll add in the eggs. So we need 2 eggs.
2 eggs.
2 eggs. Okay. I'm gonna crack it.
Ah.
And you don't want no eggshells on there. Okay.
Yeah.
Keep stirring it, Luis.
What happens if you have eggshells?
Then you'll get a cookie with an eggshell and it won't taste good.
That yellow thing looks weird.
That's a yolk.
But yeah.
Okay. Here's the
Do
other
you know
egg.
where eggs come from?
Chicken. Yep. There we go.
Well, Olivia likes turtles, then Vanessa likes pigs.
Yeah. What kind of animal you like, Luis? As a pet? You want a dog as a pet?
Yeah.
Nice. I like it.
Well,
the way
wait,
you're stirring
do you know wait, hold this.
Oh, sorry. Okay, you talk.
Do you know when Grandma had a bookstore neighbor?
Yeah.
Doesn't it have a wolf dog people trying to jump over?
Oh yeah.
And you call them.
It's what's it called? A husky. Yeah, that's what it's called. Husky.
Yeah, and
Grandma's neighbor has a husky dog. That's really tall, huh?
Poppy's grandma.
My grandma. No, my mom. Your grandma.
Oh.
Yeah. Okay. Hold on. So that's what it looks like right now. Whoa, it's gonna spill.
Then
Okay, keep going, Luis.
Wait, what? I thought it was the jump over a fence. I had a dream about that husky was jumped over a fence and he was coming after me. And I went inside.
Yeah. Yeah, that dog was kind of scary. He was huge.
But
Huge husky.
I told you guys that was a dream.
Yeah. Okay, so now the second part is you grab 2 cups of all-purpose flour.
Whoa!
Some.
Wait, we have flour?
Yeah, this is flour right here. Then we got half a teaspoon of salt and 2 teaspoons of baking soda. Okay, Luis? Okay, so I'm gonna need you to mix. I need you to mix it. I'm gonna put a little bit of flour. Dump a little flour. There you go. There you go. Keep mixing, mix.
It looks good.
Yeah.
That.
And you can make this the way you want. If you add more eggs, you can add more eggs, more flour.
Like 4 eggs or 10 eggs.
Yeah, we're just following Pepe's recipe.
Yeah.
Chefpepe.
But if you feel like...
Here, I'll help you, Luis, because it's getting really hard to mix it because the flour makes it thick. And when it's thick, it makes it hard.
But if you like feel like flour feels weird.
Yeah, it feels really soft. It feels like a kinetic sand. Remember that sand from the bug video we did?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, that's what it feels like.
Well, like...
Oh my, I just thought of an idea. Why don't we prank Mom? We make some cookies and we put like some sort of fake bug in there.
Yeah, but guys,
We'll do that another time. Guys.
Guys, do you know that
You know what? April is coming up, and April 1st is April Fool's Day. You know what's April Fool's Day, Louise?
Yeah, it's a
Where you prank people. Yeah.
Do you know that bug, that dinosaur one? It like has 19 likes.
Yeah, it does. Ooh, we got 1,000 views on that dinosaur
Or
fossil day
dislike.
cake, and a bunch of likes. Thanks guys for liking our videos.
Yeah.
And Luis's videos, and please subscribe if you like this video as well.
But there's another puppet named Demon Baby.
Oh yeah, there's this doll in our house, and he's kind of creepy.
Yeah, and one time he was like telling me, morning time, he was telling me when I sleep, he watches me when I go sleep. Yeah. And he was telling every day when it's summer, like every day it's morning time, he was trying to tell me, and I was trying to tell him this like keys. My sister keys.
It's just a pretend.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. This is how the batter looks.
Yeah.
Now the fun part, we add chocolate chips as much as you want. If you want white chocolate, brown, dark chocolate. If you want to add some nuts in here, you can add some nuts. Okay, that's pretty good right there. We don't want it too chocolatey.
Yeah.
There we go. Want to eat some, Luis?
Yeah.
Try some. Chocolate chip. Look at this. Looks good. Is it sweet or a little bit?
It's good.
Good. There we go, guys. Look at that. How easy it is to make chocolate chip cookies.
It tastes like a chocolate bar.
Yeah, it does. Okay. All right. Now, if you're under age of 10, or if you're a little kid, please do not play with the oven because you can catch your house on fire.
Yeah.
And always ask an adult to help you bake, cook, or do anything that's dangerous. There we go. How does that look like, Luis?
Good.
Looks good. Okay, so another secret is since we melted the butter, you gotta put it in the freezer for a couple minutes to get a little bit hard. Okay, and cool down. Then we'll put it in the oven and hold on for a sec. So the best way to do this, when you're putting on the baking sheet, you just grab 2 spoons. There we go. Use 1 spoon to grab the dough, cookie dough. Then you use the other spoon to scrape it off. And that's how it looks kind of not perfect, but when it bakes, it's gonna go flat and to a perfect circle.
Wait, do you remember the other one you baked? One was messy?
Yeah, the ones we made didn't turn out good because it was my recipe. But this is Pepe's recipe. Chef Pepe.
And
he came to help us.
I don't know what Chef Pepe is.
Okay. Okay, there we go. All right, so I'm gonna go turn the oven on, and I'll be back. Okay, Louise?
Okay.
Whoa, Louise!
What?
Did you make those?
Yeah, but my dad helped me.
Oh man, you have a great dad. Wow, those look terrific.
Eat these.
Oh, thanks. Oh yeah, they're gonna look perfect. They're gonna turn out so good, so chewy and yummy. Okay, all right, Luis, I gotta go lay down.
Okay. We are putting it in the oven.
Okay, Luis, go ahead. Put it in the oven.
Can you open
And we'll be back to show you the end results.
Okay, we are back, and our cookies are ready.
That's how it looks like. Ta-da! Don't they look yummy? You just have to put them in that cooling rack so they can get hard and firm. Now, if you want chewy cookies, you take them out a little bit earlier. Probably put it in there for 2-3 minutes. Or if you want hard cookies, then you leave it there longer so they can bake more. But to us, this is fine right here. See, they're starting to get a little bit hard. So thanks, guys. Please try this recipe at home. Let us know how it turns out. And subscribe to the channel, Luis's Likes, and give it a thumbs up if you think they turned out good. Okay?
Bye.
Bye. We're gonna eat this.